And the race is on. Minotaur from the outside. Dream Lover moving up by the rest. Nurture Nature. My two Sus Donori inside corner. Top Nature. And Batang Craig is the early trailer. Back to the front runner. Nurture Nature by about 3 lengths, followed by Dream Lover in second. Mighty Sus is running by the Real Minotaur. Is racing in fourth corner. Top Nature. Batang Craig still bring up the rear. And at a far turn, the favorite Nurture Nature, this time by about 5 lengths. Dream Lover in second, Mighty Sus, Minotaur racing in fourth, and Connor Top Notcher. As they race the last 500, the favorite Nurture Nature by about 4 lengths, followed by Dream Lover, Mighty Sus, Minotaur on the outside, and inside the last 250, Nurture Nature, while the rider is still in double wrap, and running in second is Mighty Sus. Last 100 meters more to run. Nurture Nature now in full throttle and winning this race in scintillating run. Second, Mighty Sus, Connor Top Nurture.
Uno rin ang unang tumawid sa linya.